Alright, let's look at the homework 2.8, problem number 3. Alright, so let's find the derivative using the definition. Alright, so definition is, let's see, f prime of t is equal to, limit as h approaches 0. Then we have f of t plus h. So every time you see t, I'm going to put the t plus h. So you have 2 times t plus h minus 5 times t plus h squared. Minus, then we have to put the same function here, f of t, which is 2t minus 5t squared. And then we have all over h. Alright, so let's multiply this out a little bit here. So we have a limit as h approaches 0. Right? Then we distribute 2 to t and h. So you have a 2t plus 2h. And then we have a negative 5 times, if you multiply that, so you have a t squared plus 2th plus h squared. Then you have a minus 2t and a negative negative, so plus 5t squared. Alright, so we can cancel. There's a 2t here, minus 2t. Right? Then also we have negative 5t squared, and you have a positive 5t squared. Right? Then, oh, sorry, I forgot the h here. Right? Then if you clean it up, you're going to get this. You're going to have a limit as h approaches 0. Right, so all the remaining terms on top has h in it, so you have a 2h here, and you have a negative, so that's negative 10th, and then you have a negative 5h squared. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to factor out h. Right, so you can see that if you factor h out, so you're going to have 2 left here. Right, factor h from here. You're going to get, let's see, negative 5 times 2t, so it's a negative 10t. Right? And then if you pull h out from h squared, so it's going to be h, we have negative 5, so you have a negative 5h, right, over h. So we can cancel h on top and h on the bottom. And we know that the h is going to 0, so this is going to disappear. Right, so that goes away. So what's left is now 2 minus 10t. Right, so that's the function. So 2 minus 10t. And the domain is very easy. Excuse me. Since it's a polynomial function, again, it's all real numbers. And the derivative is a linear function, so it's all real numbers. Alright, so let's type it in. Alright, so what we found was 2 minus 10t, and then domain is negative infinity to positive infinity. And the same here, negative infinity to positive infinity. Alright, so let's check the answer. Alright, I came back and looks like we got this one correctly. Alright, that's it. I hope that this was clear.